Guys, I'm again back with my third video, which is on preposition. Again, third video on preposition, where I'll be telling you how to differentiate or how to distinguish or how to understand that which one is adverb, which one is preposition, or how to distinguish between an adverb and a preposition. I'll help you with some few examples so that you can understand how to distinguish that, how to understand that. So if you want to know that, so let us start the video. What I mean to say, if it is a preposition, then it will have a noun or a pronoun as its object, if it is a preposition. And if it is an adverb, then it will modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. So how will you understand or distinguish a preposition and an adverb? If it is a preposition, mind it guys, if it is a preposition, it will always have a noun or a pronoun as its object, which I have already taught you in the first class that very clearly, that what is the object of the preposition. So if it is a preposition, will always come with a noun or a pronoun as its objects. And if it is an adverb, it will always modify a verb, an adverb, or an adjective. So this also you can understand this adverb in my adverb class, which you can again see the video of adverb and you can understand what is adverb. Let us get some examples to understand preposition and adverb, the difference between preposition and adverb. With an example, like the book is on the table. Here on is actually a preposition. Why? Because the table is the object of the preposition on. So that's why on is a preposition, and here it is also showing the relation between the words, between the noun and its object. But if I say let us move on, here on is an adverb. Why? Because move is a verb, and we know a word which modifies a verb or add meaning to a verb is an adverb. So let us move on. So let us move on. So move is a verb. I'm modifying this verb more. I'm putting on here. So on is an adverb over here, not a preposition. And the book is on the table. Here on is the preposition, because on is the preposition which is coming for the object of the object, which is a noun, the table. I'm sure you have understood that. Let us come to the next one. The bird is in the cage. The bird is in the cage. Here in is a preposition because it is showing a position. Where is the bird? The bird is in the cage, means inside the cage. So in is showing a position and it's showing a relation between the bird and the cage. So obviously it has an object and it is also has a noun or pronoun as its object, and also it's showing a relation. So here in is a preposition. But if I'm saying please come in, here come is a verb and I'm modifying this verb more with the help of the word in. So that's why in is actually here is an adverb. So please come in this sentence, in is an adverb. Let's go to the third example. She will come after a month. She will come after a month. Here after is actually a preposition because month is again a noun and she is again a pronoun. So month is again a noun, and before a noun, when a word comes, it is actually a preposition. So here after is actually having its object. As I told you that if it is a preposition, then it will have a noun or pronoun as its object. So here after is a preposition because it has its noun month as an object. Now if I say his father arrived soon after. So his father arrived is a verb. It is modified by the word soon. So soon is already an adverb. Now I told you that a word can also an adverb can also modify another adverb. So here to modify soon more, I am putting after. His father arrived soon after. So after is actually modifying soon, which is an adverb. So obviously here it's an adverb. After is an adverb. It's not a preposition because it doesn't have any object, noun or pronoun as its objects. Next one. He stood before me. He stood before me. So here me is a pronoun, and before pronoun a word is coming. Stood before. So obviously before is a preposition over here because before is coming before this pronoun as an object, before this object which is an object, that me. Like I'll again explain you, like as I told you, if it is a preposition then it will have a noun or pronoun as its object. So here before is a preposition or not, to understand that you can understand that there is a pronoun is there before me. So me is a pronoun and before that you have used before, so obviously it's a preposition because the before is actually a preposition because it will have a pronoun as its object which is me. But if I say he has come here before, he has come here before. Now see the example. He has come here. Come is a verb out here. Now to modify the verb I am using here. He has come here. So here is obviously an adverb. Now this adverb, why is an adverb? Here is an adverb because it is modifying the what? Verb come. So it's adverb. Now to modify this adverb more, I am putting this here. This here the adverb I want to modify it more. So for that I am putting another word before. So he has come here before. So when a word which is modifying an adverb is also an adverb. So here before, he has come here before. So before here is an adverb. But he stood before me, here it's a preposition because it has a pronoun before it. Let us come to the last one of preposition and verb. He ruled over him. He ruled over him. So here over he ruled over him. Over is a preposition because it is coming just before a pronoun, and as it this preposition has its object which is a pronoun. So that's why it's over here. Over is here a preposition. He ruled over him. Over is a preposition over here. Now, but if I say, would you like to come over? Would you like to come over and have dinner with me? Here, would you like to come over? So here, over is modifying the word come, which is a verb. So obviously, it's an adverb over here. It's not a preposition. So, would you like to come over and have dinner with me? Here, over is an adverb, and he ruled over him, or he ruled over a community. So here again over is a preposition. So I'm sure guys I have made you understand how to distinguish between adverb and preposition, how to understand that which one is adverb and which one is preposition. So with this, so if you like my video, please click on the like button. If you want to subscribe to my channel, then please subscribe it and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my latest and upcoming videos which I'll upload. And not only that, please share it on your Facebook platform or any other social media platform so that other people can also get benefit out of it. So I'm sure guys that if you have liked my video, then please wait for my next video which I'll upload very soon regarding preposition only, the last video of preposition, because this is the third video, and the fourth video I'll be teaching you the uses of those preposition, how to use it in different places and in what way. So thank you guys for watching.